You know, well, we talk a lot about efficiency and using our active target to be super precise, you know, make an individual cast, a fish. But at the end of the day, being in the right areas and being even more efficient is combinationing all that with side imaging. Let's face it, this is king of efficiency. This is going to cover a massive amount of water very fast. You know, I'm idling at almost 4 miles an hour here. I'm covering 120 feet to my right, 120 feet to my left, and what I'm doing is just going along an edge right now, and I'm just looking for life. In this particular flat mud bottom on this side here of this brake line, if there's any life out there, right, like just get me in the area that I know that there's some life or some fish, and then when I drop the active target down in the bow, I can start scanning around and then pinpoint casting. But if I can cover water at 4 miles an hour right now, cover 120 feet each way by just kind of getting me in the right area, this is even more efficient. It's kind of putting all the pieces together. And you know, let's face it, I'm just coming across some boulders right now. It's side imaging can kind of be hard to tell, you know, what's hanging around that boulder, but as long as I know that there's a boulder right here, I can double back on that and see that cluster of boulders with active target and really decipher if there's anything in there and just pick away as I need. But let's just use everything in combination and you're going to be the most efficient angler on the water.